Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to keep this from happening where the garage door over closes and pushes up. So we're going to set the travel of our maximum and minimum heights. So you'll need a step ladder for this. Be careful climbing ladders, of course. And as you come up, you're going to often have the back part here that you'll pull down. You just have to pull out on each side at the same time to drop this down. Once it's down, you'll find a few buttons. Okay, so we're gonna set the maximum height that we want the door to come up and also the minimum so that when it goes down, it doesn't go too far and have the machine continue to push the door closed. So it's very easy to do. All we're gonna do is push this button here. You're gonna hold it down until it beeps. Now we're gonna set the max height, which we're already kind of at. And if we say, that's a little too high, bring it back down just a little bit. Let's see, right about here. And once it's there, we're gonna hit this button again. Now it's gonna set the minimum. So we're gonna hold this down. And if you let go, it just stops until you're done. But there is a key to this. We wanna stop it like just barely, like maybe an inch off the ground. Just like that. And I'll show you why. Now that we're done with setting the max for the bottom, we're gonna push this button again. And now it wants us to test it. Up. We'll make sure it doesn't come too far up. There we go. And now it wants us to test the minimum. So we're gonna push this again. Now notice it will shut off perfectly and close. See that? And the main point is it's not pushing that bar. So as you saw, it shut off right before it hit the ground and then kind of barely touched the ground. If it's not set correctly, the door will close and it will continue to push, and it will actually start pushing that bracket upward. So I've had that happen before. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If so, feel free to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and check the video description. I have a full playlist of other videos that are similar to this that I've done, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.